Hello everyone, thank you for watching this video. Today we're going to learn the basics on how to join several text strings into one text string by using concatenate functions. So we have here the sample of data and file for us to combine the text and numbers. So by the way, I'm using Microsoft Excel 2016. So instead of typing again and again, we rather use formula so that we can save time. So what is concatenate function? So concatenate joins several text strings into one text string. So in the column E, we're going to combine the last name, then comma, and then the first name. So we have to click insert function, then concatenate, and then OK. In the text one, we have to click the last name, which is C4. The text 2, we have to put comma. In the text 3, we will click the first name, which is B4. So as we can see, there is no spacing between the name or the last name and then the first name. So we have to click in the text tool and put space, and then click OK. So we will just copy the formula from E4 up to E11. So we can just copy and then paste, or we can just simply double click the corner here. So that's it. From E4 to E11 are being copied. Then we will just convert this one into values. We will have to copy this one and then right click, then paste special and click values and OK. So everything is converted into values. Then in the column F, we're going to combine full name and the phone number. So we'll click F4 and then click Fx or insert function. Again, concatenate and click OK. In the text one, we will click the name or the first name, which is B4. In the text 2, we have to put spacing. Then text 3 is the last name, C4. Text 4, we have to put space again. And then in the text 5, we will click D4, which is the phone number. So we can see there is first name, last name, and then the phone number. So we can see the spacing between Nancy Smith and the numbers. So we'll press OK and then double click again and convert the we will convert the formula into values. So copy, right click, then paste special, click values, and then OK. So okay, so well done. We learned how to combine the text from one cell to another. So that's all for today. I hope you learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Bye bye.